How to fix Instagram filter not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your Instagram filters are not showing. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram, just swipe right on your home screen, and your camera will open up and you will be able to see a bunch of different filters right here if you have downloaded them. But for some reason, if you won't be able to see these filters, all you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen, and after that just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and over here just search for Instagram and see whether your Instagram has been updated to the latest version of the app or not. If you see that there is an update pending in your Instagram, just go ahead and update your Instagram account first, and then that should fix your problem. And if you see that the problem is still persisted, so just simply click on just simply open your mobile settings, and after that just simply scroll down and go to the app section and click on app management, and over here just look for Instagram and just tap on it. Click on storage uses and clear all the data and cache related to your Instagram account, and once you have done that, your problem should be fixed. So this is basically how you will be able to fix if your Instagram filter is not showing. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.